So if Nigerian banks wake up tomorrow now, they can't talk, say, I beg, throw Java and .NET inside dustbin. We will start again. Which language they go choose? I know say war go dey this content well. But I don't care because not true. I go always dey tell you now. So na Python or na JavaScript or na Go or na Rust. We will look the matter. Or maybe we go see the cry legacy code, legacy code. Today, so for this video, we go yarn am. Oh yeah, dey with me. So first, why dem love Java and .NET? Like I talk am for my video, people dey shout na because na legacy code, no wahala, we no there, but I go still talk am for this video. Why they love .NET and Java? Number one, stability. Bank no fit crash because one developer forget semicolon. Number two, security. Now your money dey inside though, no be video likes where you no wan like this video. So then ecosystem, I know say they go come for this one. They go say Python, they secure. Node.js, they secure. Python get ecosystem, it get libraries. We dey come, we just chill. Make sure say you watch this video finish. Thousands of libraries and frameworks don dey inside Java and .NET since about your time. It dey time proving. But we dey come. Then talent pool. Now no they look that one. If GT Bank sack one Java dev today, I sure say they go see another one tomorrow. There no many, but no be many people also they use their stack. So probably they go always see another one quickly. So no be say they no sabi new tech o, na risk management. But still stay with me. May you still dey follow this video. Now let's look. If na Python, if na Python, whether they go use them or not. My opinion be this o. Python sweet die, fast to write, great for AI. Abi? Fintech startups they use them for loan apps and fraud detection. Yeah, some of them even talking from my comment. That's true. But the wahala I say when they forget, which some people go still quarrel. Python no too shine for heavy multi-threaded, high-performance transaction. Imagine 5 billion people they click transfer at once. Python go sweat like NEPA transformer. Of course, they will come for me for this statement. So for core banking, it go need one C extension or hybrid with something faster. Funny thing is, I need to talk this thing. I no be Java developer. I don't even know Java. I sabi Node.js. For the past 2 years, I've been writing Nest.js. I've been writing with Nest.js framework. So I dey use TypeScript, JavaScript. So that one no be no look say I dey bias because maybe you think say I be Java developer. I also dey write .NET. I also dey write Python with Django. Not to get attached to the tools, like say na your blood you dey use. No, not to get attached with those tools. So that when new thing come, or they try make statement where they truthy, you go come they get problem with that. No, just look the facts. Go read online. Go look for surveys. Just check things out. If you check on some of my response for comments, I dey see some facts when they state. Not true. But actually, before you just do just carry emotions, knack for this comment. Reason am. Do your research, then write what you get for mind. So what if na JavaScript? Of course, Node.js, since na backend. Yes, Node.js they rule for real-time apps and APIs. We all agree. In fact, in the entire world, if you look Stack Overflow survey, na Node.js TypeScript they reign, na be number one. Yes, but no forget the context. Nigeria. Conga Pay self they use them, like somebody cited in my comment. But for heavy duty, high transaction secure systems, Node still dey find Lego compared to Java or .NET. Look am compared to. Yes, it dey shine as fintech wrappers. Yes, no lie. And also for mobile banking APIs. But for entire core banking rewrite, baba, banks go think twice. Dem look am. If na Go Golang. Personally, I might be biased towards this one, but truly, if you really look at now Golang, they go one pick because actually Golang get that level, even Rust. But let's go on. So we all know say now Go the hot, abi. Many modern fintechs like Paystack, they get sprinkle of Go for some of their small touches. It fast, concurrent, and it is scale like crazy, right? If any language is shake table against Java or .NET, my guy, actually na Go. Clean syntax. Google they back am, and devs they love am. Ask every Go developer. Funny enough, I know the right Go, so no think say maybe I just they talk am because I know the right Go. But to hire Go devs for Naija, now there's more commodity. You feel they search from Lagos to Maiduguri before you see enough senior developers for Go. The talent pool still actually small. So you they say, Amabi. So what if na Rust? Some of them don't they wait for this one. What if na Rust? Mo look am. Rust na beast oh. Nobody fit drag am with am. Speed plus safety. Just leave am for am. If banks write their core with Rust, transfer go fly faster than that your neighbor wey dey run for NEPA bill anytime wey you see NEPA dey come. The transfer go move very fast. Rust no dey allow memory leaks anyhow. No. Perfect for performance plus security. But bros, man, the steep learning curve for Rust, bank no go train 1,000 1,000 developers to learn Rust just because they want make account balance. They no try am. And then the libraries for enterprise fintech still dey grow. So who fit match Java or .NET? The truth be say, as of today, if Nigerian banks want truly and completely rewrite core banking, the two closest contenders, the two wey close go be Go and Rust. No be all those one wey na dey quarrel. JavaScript people just dey quarrel. They write JavaScript too. Na just dey quarrel. But na Go and Rust they go mostly pick. Either to pick one between the two. But they don't get the same maturity, libraries, and hiring is like Java or .NET. Sometimes. See, Python and Node, they very, very solid for fintech layers. No, they do that mistake. Person write for comment saying just finish one loan app, saying don't run like 2 billion transfer. But now they transfer the money, now it be the core banking. Know the difference. Python and Node do good for fraud systems too and APIs. Yeah, we all know that. But when you reach the core engine where they move billions daily, Java or .NET still be king go. Now if you argue this thing till tomorrow, you know the funny thing be say there are things you know 2 years ago, even early this year, that you thought were right. Oh, you feel swear say they're right, but now you know say you did wrong. So why you think say this one you just the 100% correct? Do your research. So the question no be only which no be saying only which language better pass. No, but which language bank management fit trust with their oga at the top. Java or .NET still thrown for most core banks. So I dey tell you, Go and Rust they sharpen their cutlass and they get ready. If I talk this one, they go kill me. Anyways, Python and Node they ready for side projects. So until Nigerian banks ready to hire 2,000 Go or Rust developers, I beg, your bank core app go still dey run on that Java and .NET. Except maybe solutions come for some of the things I mentioned for Node.js and Python. You can come for me, but na fact I dey tell you.